It's Bonnie. Happy Tuesday. I am back. Check it out. I got Ipsy. It is really hot outside. So I'm like, I'm not going out. I'm staying inside. Sunny days ahead. They were not kidding. It is very sunny out. So I'm going to work on these. I am part of an Ipsy program where I get these free each month. The bag is 14. The box is 30, and we're gonna see what's inside. I have not even opened these yet for June. So I'm gonna dig in here, and oh, I get another little card. Sunny days ahead, and look how cute this little bag is. Loving the bag. Oh, it feels good too. It's got like a nice feel, and it's got a really sturdy zipper pull on it. So the first thing I got is the Rosehip Body Scrub Cleanser from Frank Body. Little cleanser there. I got the Galactic. Oh, this is good. I like this. The Fruit Superfood Sugar-Free Scrub. Oh, sugar. Oh, it's like, is it sugar-free? Sugar-free scrub. Of course, I'm like, I like a sugar scrub. Check that out. Oh, that's funny. Not sugar-free. I've got the First Aid Beauty Brighten Glow Moisturizer with vitamin C. Let's see, what is this? Oh, Ace Beauty Maximum Impact. Oh, liquid eyeshadow. That's always a fun thing to get. I like liquid eyeshadow. Let me see. It's called Stella Dusk. Ooh. Let me see what it looks like. Oh, it's sparkly. This is actually a really pretty summer one. Look at the sparkle on this one. Oops, it came off wrong. I pulled it too hard. There we go. Check this out. That is super sparkly. And then I also got a Dear Midnight. What is this? I don't even know what it is. It is, oh, a color changing lip balm. I gotta open this and see. Oh my gosh. That's the only problem. Opening stuff on camera lately has been so challenging. They've been really sealing everything good, which is good. I love a good safety seal, but my goodness, trying to, I got it. I got it. I want to show you guys this. Okay. Oh, look, it's one of the clear ones. Okay, so we're going to see what this does on my skin. I don't know if it'll work on my hand, but we're going to see if it color changes on my hand at all. It does look like it's changing a little bit. I don't know. We'll see. I don't know if it has a shade in flux. So I don't know if it'll work on my hand. I've never tried one on my hand before, but we're going to find out. Okay. The box. The BoxyCharm box. Luckily, I have a pen here. I'm like, you are kidding me. Oh my gosh. Why am I having so much trouble with packaging today? I need to be better prepared. I need scissors on my desk, you guys. Oh my gosh. Okay, I got it. I got the sticker. Is this changing yet? Not changing yet. Okay, let me see here. Oh, check it out. We got a little flyer in here. And then let's see what is in here. Okay, first up, from Briogeo Superfood, it's a avocado and kiwi mega moisture 3-in-1 leave-in spray. Oh wow. This is a hair care product. Shake well, spray lightly throughout clean, damp hair, focusing on mid-length ends. I'm actually kind of excited to use this. I've heard about these. That's exciting. Okay, I got that. I got the, is this Ilmakeage? I don't know how to pronounce that. You'd think I'd know. This is a really hefty palette. I've gotten stuff from them before. They aren't, oh, look how pretty that is. That is gorgeous. Look at that palette. Wow. I like the browns in the summer. I'm going to swatch one of these. That's really gorgeous, actually. And it's super pigmented. Look at that. I like brown eyeshadow. I don't know why I smelled it. It doesn't have a smell. But it's pretty. Okay. I'm excited about this box. It's a really good box. Okay. Next up we have, pink lips. This is a glass lip gloss. Oh, I love these. Oh my gosh. Oh, I'm excited. This is a really, really good box. Check it out. 2 shades here. I'm going to use the pinky one. You know, I'm going to smell it again. Oh, it smells good. It smells like candy or like frosting. This is nice. I actually like this. I like a little gloss in the summer. So I get 2 of them. One, oh gosh, they make this so small. Over 50 challenges. I can't even read those. I'm not even going to try. Okay, I got 2 more things. You know what I'm talking about. I got a refinishing night serum, lactic acid from Feel, and then I also got the REM Beauty blurring primer. These are actually cool. I do like the primers. There's nothing better than like a really nice primer, because it makes your makeup look a little better, and it kind of like diminishes fine lines. I just want to try this on my hand. Yeah, this one feels nice. I like this. So I feel like I got a really good selection today from Ipsy. I got a lot of products that I think I'm going to use, and I'm loving the bag. So anyway, this never did change too much. It looks a little pinky. I'll try that and see what happens. So anyway, thank you, Ipsy, and thank you all for watching. I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.